All right, got our central heat unit. Having problems with it draining into the unit, and once we made sure the unit was leveled, which one of these actually slipped, these adjusters, and I'll show a picture. But this was obviously, the pan was way down, so we put a chunk of wood in there and a couple shims to try and direct it to the drain. Does anybody know what may have been the problem, may be the problem? Are we missing something here? Do we not need to be putting a piece of wood in here? Let me know in the comments.